the breeze brushing your skin, and sunlight filtering through trees. Nature isn't just beautiful, it heals. Research shows that spending time in natural environments reduces anxiety, improves focus, lowers blood pressure, and boosts mood. Even just seeing greenery can calm the mind. In our fast-paced world, reconnecting with nature is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Let's take a breath. Let's step outside. Let's rediscover the power of the natural world for a healthier, happier life. Opening scene. Fast city life, people glued to phones, stressed out. Transition. Cut to a natural setting, forest, mountain, beach. Voiceover, calm and soothing tone. Visuals. Highlight benefits, relaxed face, lower heart rate, playful kids in nature. Closing. Quote or call to action. Spend more time in nature. Your body and mind will thank you. We weren't made to live apart from nature. We're part of it, and we thrive when we're in it. Closing scene. Golden hour sunlight over a forest trail. A family hiking, friends around a campfire, a person journaling by a lake. Words appear on screen. Reconnect with what matters. Reconnect with nature. Because a healthy life begins with a healthy mind, and nature heals both.